The illusion of separation. Things you think are separate and different are actually one and the same.
Like the four nations.
Yes, we are all one people, but we live as if divided.
We're all connected. Everything is connected.
We know now through every single individual atom, it has electrons orbiting it, and those electrons can make conscious decisions based on observation. We know this because of the double-slit experiment in quantum physics. So because every atom is conscious, that means that everything made of atoms is conscious. So this whole universe is one entity experiencing itself subjectively as ghouls and googles of entities and things that exist and things that we think are inanimate. Like even this microphone, for example, is made of conscious atoms. So this microphone is not just an inanimate man-made object. We didn't make this microphone. What man did was stack conscious atoms together like Legos, and then because of the format we stacked them in, it allows us to utilize as a microphone. And so it's all about understanding that we are God and God is us. It's in everything and we're in everything. Separation is an illusion. Division is an illusion. Distance is even an illusion. Everything is actually all one.
I accepted all my flaws, that's what really made me. Talking about this shit, looking back, that shit crazy. No matter how rich I get, I won't let them faze me or change me on God.
Today's topic, we talking on separation being an illusion, but also we talking on how being different in your own way is a gift, okay? On this channel, of course, I like to talk about, you know what I'm saying, just being yourself, being different in your own way, you know what I'm saying, standing out from the crowd, etc. But like today I want to dive like deeper into it so y'all can really understand like the difference between like being different and then like also understanding that like you're not separate from anybody on this earth. You feel me? We all connected. Even the little things, you know what I'm saying? The trees, the plants, the animals, okay? Yeah, we gotta really understand we all connected, okay? It don't matter who you is, what you is on this earth, okay? We all connected. Before I get into it, I'm gonna make sure to leave my merch link down in the description for y'all, as well as the supplements and the Patreon. Y'all know it's extra content on that Patreon, as well as the one-on-one consultation. Y'all know the book of call. If you need that one-on-one call, you need that one-on-one meeting with me. All right, let's have that talk. Okay, any roadblocks, anything you going through along your spiritual journey, my brother, let's have that talk. I'll leave all links down in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all tap in. So today we diving in this song that's been on my mind lately. Okay, the difference between being different, okay, and being separate. So see, being different is like, of course, like having your own superpower, like having your own gift from the Most High. You know what I'm saying? You doing things your own way, you being yourself, okay? Ain't nothing better than that. That's what make you unique for real, you feel me? That's what sets you apart from the crowd, you feel me? But being separate, that's a whole different story, my brother. Okay, that's like living in your own bubble, you know what I'm saying? Saying fuck everybody and just thinking you better than everybody else. You feel me? That's like some real deal narcissistic shit. Some people might call you narcissistic because you self-love, you showing yourself love, you feel me? And you just taking care of yourself, etc. Just being to yourself. Some people might call you narcissistic because of that reason. But if you not like selfish, super selfish in a sense, like, because sometimes you gotta be selfish, like, of course, you know what I'm saying? That's how it be sometimes. Like, you gotta be selfish. That's just the way it is. Because everybody else, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody else going, you know what I'm saying? What you call it? Have your back, like you got yours. If you being narcissistic, or you being like to yourself, but still being like selfless instead of selfish, meaning like you showing love to others still, you know what I'm saying? Regardless of, you know what I'm saying, how they treating you. You still showing love to others, you feel me? That's good, you feel me? That's cool, you feel me? But being selfish, being narcissistic, acting like you don't fuck with nobody and you just in your own bubble and you better than everybody, yeah, nah, that shit not gonna fly around here, brother. It's just not gonna work out, you feel me? You can't be selfish like that. You cannot have that type of mindset, just thinking you over everybody and then you just, you know what I'm saying, off of your own world or whatever. You feel me? Like, that's, like I said, that's cool to be off in your own world, but acting like you better than everybody and then, you know what I'm saying, like I said, being selfish, not being selfless, That's not cool, okay? Here's the thing though, you feel me? We're all connected, okay? We're all part of this big web of life type shit. You feel me? This big cosmic dance. That's all it is. You feel me? And when we try to separate ourselves or distance ourselves from that web or this cosmic dance, you feel me? We start to lose touch from our true selves. Okay. So I really need y'all to understand that. You feel me? Don't It's why people be ending up depressed and all type of other shit where they be alone because they not really tapping into themselves. You feel me? They just acting in their lower vibrational way, being selfish, you know what I'm saying? Being greedy, you feel me? Not, you know what I'm saying? Showing love to others, not, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can be to yourself all you want, but as long as you show love to others, it's cool. You feel me? But being by yourself and being mad at the world, you know what I'm saying? Being mad at everybody and then acting like you over them, like that's just crazy, bro. That is wicked. When you do that, you start to really, you know what I'm saying, distance yourself from the world, and then that's how we all just start to forget that we are connected. You feel me? We all together in this shit for real, for real. See, being different, it's about embracing your individuality. Is that how you say it? But being like separate, bro, being by yourself and being distant from the world and saying fuck the world and saying rejecting humanity, you feel me? That's not it, dog. Okay, you came down here to serve a purpose, you feel me? For humanity. So it's best to, you know what I'm saying, stay tapped in, stay connected. Okay. I really know it's like some of y'all gonna think in y'all head like, but what about my personal space? What about, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I want my privacy. You feel me? I'm just cool with being by myself. I know, you feel me? I know. Trust me, I know, because I'm the same exact way. But there's a difference for real, between setting boundaries and pretty much putting up a wall or putting up walls. Cause that's what niggas be out here pretty much doing. You feel me? When you build walls, you're not just keeping people out, but you also keeping yourself trapped. Okay. You limiting yourself from your own potential and your own growth. You know what I'm saying? You limiting yourself from evolving for real. So you gotta like put them walls down. You feel me? Put them walls down. Of course, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, you can have your boundaries, okay? You can always have time to yourself, always have time of isolation to yourself to enjoy your own company. But you feel me? Don't be putting up walls and then, you know what I'm saying, blocking out people, you know what I'm saying, blocking out the world, saying fuck the world just because you know what I'm saying, in a temporary mood or temporary situation or temporary problem, okay? Don't have that be what stops you from connecting with others, you feel me? Be somebody out there to help your situation, to help your problem, but you sitting there pouting and, you know what I'm saying, putting up walls and not being in the mood, saying fuck the world, being selfish, okay? Acting like you know what I'm saying, separate from the world, that's not gonna help your situation, okay? And like I said, especially if you continuously thinking that you over motherfuckers, because that's what people be doing, y'all. This is why I'm going over this topic right now, man, because this is going on right now in the world, okay? People are really, you know what I'm saying, they really getting fucked up moves or fucked up situations, and then they just block out the world and say fuck everybody when they could be, you know what I'm saying, constantly just giving out good energy or going to ask somebody for help if they in a fucked up situation. You feel me? Or in a bad mood. It's gonna be somebody out there, whether it's friends, whether it's family, whether it's a partner, but saying just fuck everybody, like that's not it, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all some little ways or some little tips to balance between being different and being connected. You feel me? Help you celebrate just being isolated without blocking out, you know what I'm saying, the whole world. You know what I'm saying? Without saying fuck the whole world. For me, through my experience, because yes, I have experienced just blocking out the whole world and then, you know what I'm saying, just being selfish, okay? That shit is not cool, okay? I definitely had to heal from that and realize, like, bro, everybody is along this same journey with you. You feel me? Everybody down here on earth with you having the same exact journey, just through their own way, okay? Like I said, it's your path, it's your pace, and it's your legacy. We all got different reasons of being down here on earth, and we all got different tests. So blocking out the world ain't gonna do nothing but do you wrong. You feel me? Do you bad in the end, because you could be connecting with the world, you feel me? Connecting with the people around you and trying to solve your situation or your problem that you might be going through. You feel me? We all got different paths, pace, legacy along this journey, different, you know what I'm saying, different tests, etc. But I feel as though when it comes to lessons that we learn down here on earth, it's somewhat all the same, okay? And it's something that we can all try to teach each other and help each other learn from, you feel me, to be able to evolve. Okay, don't y'all want to evolve? Don't y'all want to not have to reincarnate back here on earth? Like, do anybody ever think that way? But that's besides the point. I need to tell y'all these tips and these ways of actually being individual, okay, being to yourself, but not, you know what I'm saying fuck the world. For me, shit, through my experience, shit, just be myself, okay? Really just show myself love. I feel like it's all about self love with me. Like, it's all about just loving myself enough to be myself without apology, without, you know what I'm saying, feeling no type of way about it, feeling no regret about it. You feel me? Just being myself, dog, being the rawest nigga I could be. You feel me? The rawest version of myself that I could be. It's about really just embracing, you know what I'm saying, all your flaws, okay? You know what I'm saying? Embracing your strengths. You know what I'm saying? What you knowing your strengths, knowing your weaknesses. This why I be like, know thyself, okay? And of course, recognizing that everybody else is doing the same thing you doing. We all just trying to figure it out. All right, we all just trying to evolve. Okay, we all just trying to find our place in this world. Okay, we all trying to find our purpose. You feel me? So let's please stop trying to separate yourself or separate ourselves from each other and thinking that we over, you know what I'm saying, one another. Okay? Stop trying to be in competition or stop trying to be selfish and saying fuck everybody and not showing no love. You feel me? Cause that's what you need to do, my brother. Just give all, you know what I'm saying? Just go out in the world, just give all positive vibes, my brother, just cuz, bruh. Alright? Start embracing your true self, bruh. Start recognizing that we all in this bitch together. We all in this shit together. All right. Regardless of what you're going through throughout your spiritual journey right now, throughout your life. Okay, cause I know life get rough, nigga. I know life get rough, man. We all got the same, you know what I'm saying, 24 hours, my nigga. Like, yes, we all gotta work for what we want individually for ourselves, of course. You know what I'm saying? Like going through challenges, all type of shit your way, but you gotta remember, nigga, we all in this shit together, okay? You are not alone, my brother. You are not alone. My brother, my sister, whoever watching this, you is not alone. If you did not get the message, don't be afraid to play it back, my brother. But if you did, I really hope you got some game, some wisdom, some knowledge from the video. Please apply it to your real life. Alright, if you're new, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below something positive. Y'all know there's no negative vibes down there because we do not care. Y'all make sure to tap in with the merch, copy some Spiritual Homie apparel. I will leave that link down in the description for y'all. Behind that will be the supplements. Y'all make sure to tap in with the supplements. Got some new pre-workout in there. Definitely go cop it. Behind that link will be the one-on-one consultation. Y'all know that if you need a one-on-one talk with me, a one-on-one meeting, want to talk about anything you're going through throughout your journey, all right, or just anything, you know, any situation that you may be feel want to talk to me about, I'm all ears, all right. Let's have that one-on-one talk. I'm gonna leave that link down in the description below for y'all. Behind that, last but not least, will be the Patreon. I know it's extra content, tips, tricks, secret story time, all type of shit on the Patreon. Y'all make sure to tap in, all right. Appreciate y'all once again for clicking on this video. Stick it to the end. Y'all have a blessed one, man. Spiritualhomiekash. Y'all have a good ass night. Y'all have a good ass morning. Y'all have a good ass afternoon, man. Wherever you at. And I'm out.